Here we are. We're back to this. Yeah, put a little light on this one too. Why not? Not a lot, but there. It's Schecter Damien Elite 7 that I've modified the body drastically. It's not a superstar anymore. It's more like an ML. Not perfect, but hey, it's what I do. It's what I like. I don't know. Anyway, that's not the point of this video. Is to show you the difference between this two 212s 24 volt and a 9 volt. Let's see. Let's try it out and see what happens. See if we can hear a difference in the. Oh, see if we can hear a difference. Come on. Okay. Is this still working? Yes, it is. Why is this being retarded here? There. There we go. Alright, so anyway, that's with the 24 volts. Now, this is a brand new, go ahead Dave, clear it out, brand new 9 volt. Let's switch it on the fly. Bam! Bootsy, heads up, Boots, bro. What's up? Come on. Pop this out. Bam! Brand new 9 volt. Come on. Let's make believe that it fits. Okay. I think it's a noticeable difference. Let's pop it back in the other way. I think it's a noticeable difference of headroom between this brand new 9 volts and this. I just bought this literally 3 days ago, maybe. This, I bought the whole system maybe, I don't know, 7-9 months ago, roughly-ish. This is a 24 volt. I think there's more headroom with this. I could be wrong. It could be just me, wishful thinking.
Okay, I definitely think that there's better headroom, noticeably different improvement from the 24 volts to the 9 volts. I think the 24 definitely sounds better, but that's what I feel. Your mileage may vary. Okay, kids, what do you think? Tell me.